Today's Counts consultation is for anyone with a small space and a small budget. Here's my favorite and most used sofa that I recommend. It's the Vivian from Studio McGee's collection at Target, and it's only $900. Here's why I love it. First, the attention to detail. The soft slope arm is very much a designer sofa element, and I love that they did this on an affordable sofa, because when you have to walk around any sofa in a room, having that soft arm makes the space feel like you can flow more and you can walk around it and you're not gonna get caught on it. And it's just more of an updated arm for a sofa. The bench cushion is absolutely one of my favorites because you can fit more people on the sofa. No one ever wants to sit in the crack, and the crack predetermines this sofa only sits 2 people or 3 people. But when you have a bench sofa, more people will stack in there and be comfortable. People are going to ask me, but is it as good as the designer? No, it's budget friendly. It's not gonna last as long, and the fabric isn't a high performance fabric that's gonna last you 7 to 5 years, but this is a phenomenal budget friendly option. So I have linked this for you guys and some of my other Target favorites.